Over 70% of automatic car failures aren't caused by old age. They're caused by driver stupidity. Yeah, I said it. Everyday drivers are making dumb, damaging mistakes that are silently destroying their automatic transmissions, and they don't even realize it. The crazy part is, these bad habits are super common and often done without thinking. In this video, we're diving into 13 stupid mistakes that are destroying your automatic car from the inside out. Stick until the end because mistake number 2 alone is enough to completely destroy your transmission. So don't miss it. Let's dive in. Mistake number 13. Shifting from reverse to drive without stopping. This mistake tops the list because it's so common. People are in a rush, reversing out of a spot, and before they stop, they slam it into drive. What you're doing is forcing your transmission to reverse direction while the car is still moving backward. Automatic transmissions aren't designed to handle that sudden change in direction while the vehicle is in motion. This puts intense pressure on internal components like clutch packs and planetary gears. Over time, this can cause internal damage or even complete transmission failure. Always come to a full stop before changing gears. This simple habit can save you thousands in transmission repairs. Mistake number 12. Driving with low or dirty transmission fluid. Transmission fluid is the lifeblood of your automatic gearbox. It lubricates, cools, and helps shift gears smoothly. But unlike engine oil, many drivers ignore it entirely. Unlike engine oil, there's no low oil light for your transmission in most cars. If the level drops too low, it may cause overheating, slipping, delayed shifts, and eventual transmission burnout. Worse, dirty fluid loses its protective properties, turning into a hot sludge that destroys internal parts. If your car has a dipstick, check it monthly. If not, get it inspected during regular service. Replacing a $10 bottle of fluid is a whole lot better than replacing a $4,000 transmission. Mistake number 11. Resting your hand on the gear lever. While it might feel natural to rest your hand on the gear lever, but it's a damaging habit. Resting your hand there applies constant pressure on the internal shift linkage, which can wear out components prematurely. This can lead to sloppy gear engagement, shifting issues, or even transmission misalignment. Your gear shifter isn't a hand rest. It's a mechanical control. The safe practice is keep both hands on the steering wheel where they belong, and you'll avoid future shifting problems. Mistake number 10. Ignoring transmission fluid and filter changes. Most people know to change engine oil, but totally forget the transmission has maintenance needs too. Over time, the fluid breaks down, and the filter clogs with metal shavings and debris. Old or dirty fluid can't protect your transmission and will allow friction to tear it apart from the inside. This causes poor performance, overheating, and premature wear. Automatic transmissions are extremely sensitive to fluid condition. If your fluid smells burnt or looks dark, it's time to flush or change it. For most cars, you should change the fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. But check your manual, because one missed service interval could send your transmission to the grave. Mistake number 9. Using the wrong transmission fluid. Modern transmissions are engineered with extremely tight tolerances, and the wrong fluid can cause massive issues. There are dozens of types such as Mercon LV, Dexron 6, and CVT fluid. Each type is formulated with specific additives for clutch friction, temperature control, and hydraulic performance. Using the wrong one can lead to delayed shifting, erratic gear changes, and internal overheating. Even mixing fluids can be catastrophic, as the chemical reaction might thicken or foam the fluid. A study by Valvoline found that incorrect fluid is one of the top causes of premature automatic transmission failure. Always consult your owner's manual or a trusted mechanic for the exact specifications. Mistake number 8. Riding the brakes on downhills. Coasting downhill and lightly pressing the brakes constantly seems smart, but it's actually damaging. Automatic cars rely on gear ratios to manage speed and torque. When you ride the brakes continuously on a hill without downshifting, the car constantly fights gravity using the braking system and transmission in drive. This causes excessive heat buildup, not just in the brakes but in the transmission as well. Many automatic cars allow engine braking if you shift into L or 2. That lets the engine help control your speed instead of burning your brakes and stressing the transmission. But relying solely on brakes while in D can still raise fluid temps dangerously, leading to degradation over time. Mistake number 7. Power launching from a stop flooring. The gas pedal from a dead stop might feel powerful, but it's one of the worst things you can do to an automatic transmission. This power launch sends a shock through your torque converter and clutch packs, which aren't built for that kind of abuse. If you do this regularly, your transmission will start slipping, overheating, or completely fail. Unless your car has launch control, you're just burning your drivetrain for fun. Smooth acceleration is not only safer, but also far more transmission friendly. Mistake number 6, towing without tow mode or proper gear. Towing puts your transmission under extreme stress. When you tow something heavy without tow mode, the transmission constantly shifts to maintain speed, which builds excess heat. And here's the twist. Transmission fluid breaks down at 220 degrees Fahrenheit, and for every 20 degrees Fahrenheit rise above that, fluid life is cut in half. Without a dedicated cooler, your fluid may hit 250 degrees Fahrenheit plus during towing, especially on inclines or in hot weather. The result? Varnish buildup, gear wear, and fluid oxidation. If your car is rated for towing, make sure it's equipped with a transmission cooler and always use tow mode when available. Mistake number 5, not using the parking brake. If you think P means your car is safely parked, think again. When you skip the parking brake, all the weight of your car rests on a tiny metal pin inside the transmission called the parking powel. Over time, that pin can wear out, snap, or fail, especially if your car is parked on an incline. The correct move is pull the parking brake first, then shift into park. This takes the stress off the transmission entirely. 2 seconds of habit can save you thousands in transmission repairs down the road. Mistake number 4, ignoring warning signs. Your transmission will rarely fail without sending warnings first. Rough shifts, hesitation, whining noises, or burnt fluid smells are early signs. A flashing check engine or dedicated transmission warning light means a sensor has detected abnormal behavior. According to ABA, early intervention can reduce the cost of transmission repairs by 50% or more. Yet many drivers continue driving until it fails completely, but by then, it's not a repair, it's a full rebuild. Don't ignore the signs. Catching issues early can save your transmission and your wallet. Mistake number 3, using oversized or mismatched tires. Many drivers upgrade to oversized tires for style or off-road use without realizing the hidden danger they pose to automatic transmissions. Oversized tires change the effective gear ratio of the drivetrain. This forces the transmission to work harder to rotate the heavier, larger wheels, especially during acceleration and hill climbs. As a result, the transmission stays in lower gears longer, builds more heat, and may shift erratically. According to tire and transmission specialists, even a small mismatch in tire size on AWD vehicles can confuse the transmission and damage the transfer case or center differential. If you must upgrade tires, always recalibrate your speedometer and gear ratios and ensure all 4 tires match in size and wear. Mistake number 2, driving aggressively all the time. While modern transmissions are adaptive and can handle bursts of acceleration, constant aggressive driving can drastically reduce their lifespan. Hard launches, rapid acceleration, and abrupt stops force the transmission to work harder and hotter. It causes premature wear on clutches, bands, and the torque converter. Studies show that performance-style driving can reduce automatic transmission life by up to 50%, especially if the vehicle isn't designed for sport performance. Smooth driving isn't just good for fuel economy, it's vital for transmission health. Mistake number 1, driving on low fuel too often. You might think driving with the fuel light on is no big deal, but it's quietly wrecking your car's fuel system. When your fuel level gets too low, the fuel pump starts sucking in air along with fuel. That creates heat and stress inside the pump, which is designed to be cooled and lubricated by gasoline. Over time, this causes premature wear, overheating, and eventual pump failure. To protect your automatic transmission and engine, always keep your tank at least a quarter full or more. Your car will thank you. That's all for this video. These are the common mistakes that are secretly murdering your automatic transmission. These aren't just bad habits. They're financial landmines waiting to explode. So be honest, how many of these are you guilty of? Drop it in the comments. See you in the next video.